On a wild and windy day off Bermagui, the sea is alive with whitecaps. Amidst the rolling swell, whales are difficult to spot. Yet their movements seem unusual, and so, despite the gusts, the drone is launched. Through the churning ocean, two humpbacks surface. They appear to be just an adult and juvenile, travelling side by side. The smaller whale slips beneath the waves. But then another emerges, perhaps an escort. Soon, both adult whales invert, their tails flashing together in rhythm. A cloud of fine bubbles rises to the surface. This behaviour is known as bubble veiling, part of the intimate courtship of humpbacks. Within the rising curtain of air, the two giants move close, their tails wafting in unison just below the surface. Moments later, the male appears again, bobbing in the swell, a glimpse of his pink phallus confirming what has just occurred, an act of mating in rough seas. Humpback mating remains one of the least observed behaviours in the wild. These whales are known to form temporary associations, with males competing for the chance to breed. He lingers briefly at the surface, rolling and circling, before following the female into deeper water. That they paused, especially in these rough seas, to complete such an intimate ritual is both rare and remarkable. For a brief moment, we were witness to a secret of the migration, proof that even amidst the turmoil of wind and waves, life goes on for these ocean travellers.